Welcome to Willard Public Library's virtual Crafternoon. On this episode, we're going to be making beautiful vintage-inspired collage bookmarks. As always, craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services desk at WPL while supplies last. Each kit includes 3 paper bookmarks that measure about 2 inches by 5 inches. All 3 have their own plastic cover. You'll also receive some recycled book pages and an assortment of paper embellishments and stickers. All kits include 3 colorful bookmark tassels as well. You will also need to grab 1 pair of scissors and a glue stick to complete this project. The name of the game for this craft is layering, so I'm going to start out by using some of the larger embellishments that I have. I'm going to use that floral paper and cut out some of the words from my recycled book pages and cover a lot of that white space. You'll notice that I am gluing down my pages and letting it come off the edge of the bookmark. Once the glue is dry, I'm going to take my scissors and just cut off the excess. Now that I have my background layer glued down, I'm going to use some of the stickers that were included in my kit. Simply peel off the plastic backing and adhere it in place. Keep in mind that, like many of the projects we complete in Crafternoon, this one has no set instructions or requirements. The idea is that you get creative and make your bookmark look however you want it to look. It is unique to you. Once you're happy with your bookmark, flip it over and decorate the backside. With the help of a little movie magic, I'm going to fast forward here to my almost finished product. Once your bookmark has had a chance to dry completely, carefully slide it back into the plastic pocket and loop your bookmark tassel through the hole at the top.